Hi guys, welcome to a very special showcase session. We're here in sunny Saint Tropez in the south of France where we're creating lots of exciting content for you from a beautiful space we like to call Villa WorldTempus. To find out more about Villa WorldTempus and what exactly we're doing here, visit our Instagram page and check out our little villa tour led by WorldTempus managing editor Jordi Bellido. Of course, for watch lovers like us, no summer vacation is complete without a summer vacation watch. And what I have with me today is the Maurice Lacroix Aikon Automatic 39mm Skeleton, which was released in late April this year. Before we go into the details of this watch and take a closer look at it with the high-definition showcase camera, let's talk a little about what we already know regarding the Maurice Lacroix Aikon Automatic 39mm Skeleton. As I said, this is not a completely new watch. It was released a couple of months ago, so here's where we're at right now in terms of understanding this watch. Also, it gives us the chance to enjoy the landscape behind us a little more, the sound of the waves, the golden sunlight, and I hope this is giving you ideas for your own summer vacation. Anyway, the Aikon collection is about 6 years old, which isn't a lot, but since its debut in 2016, it's become pretty much the strongest collection of Maurice Lacroix, which tells us a lot about how successful the Aikon has been for Maurice Lacroix. What I personally like about it is how there's such a wide range of sizes, and they're not necessarily targeted at one gender or another. This 39mm model is what we would consider a mid-sized piece, and it's ideal on all kinds of wrists. It is not, as some guys might think, too small. I mean, these are the same guys who wear vintage 39mm steel sports watches. Now, this isn't the first time we're seeing a skeletonized watch in the Aikon collection. There was a model in 44mm, and also, if I'm not wrong, a skeletonized chronograph. And you might remember the Aikon Mercury from 2019, which had a unique system of positioning the hands so that you could only see what time it was if you're holding your wrist up facing you. And we actually did a video 3 years ago explaining how it works. So check that out if you want to know what that's all about. This year's Aikon Automatic 39mm Skeleton follows very much the same aesthetic as the Mercury, which I enjoy very much. I think it provides great visual continuity within the collection. You can see the same kind of bridges with this outer edge that has a satin finish, and then the inner sections being sandblasted. Let's see if we can get some of that detail in there. And I would say that combined with the style of the bridges, we can see that the overall effect is very sleek and contemporary. It's reminiscent of urban textures. And this is, of course, exactly what the Maurice Lacroix Aikon is all about, contemporary urban elegance. I've been wearing this piece all day and it is extremely comfortable. You can see how the bracelet links wrap very smoothly around the wrist. The watch closes with a double folding buckle, and I've seen some other bracelets with the same kind of closure, and it's not always super comfortable. The release pushes kind of dig into the wrist, and it can be painful after a while. Over here, well, you can see for yourself, they're very smooth and you can hardly feel them at all. So you might be thinking, okay, great, steel sports watch on a steel bracelet, quite versatile, especially in 2021. But what if I want something a little more suitable for a formal occasion? These little posts here and here on the back of the watch, just where it joins onto the bracelet, they give you a clue. The bracelet is actually interchangeable, so you can swap it out with a leather strap, and what's even better, you can do it yourself. So I hope you've enjoyed our time with the Maurice Lacroix Aikon Automatic 39mm Skeleton. And speaking of enjoyment, I think it's happy hour now in Saint Tropez, so I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more content like this from Villa WorldTempus. Bye for now.